A production unit for sweater trikos would typically consist of various stages and processes involved in manufacturing the garments. Here is a simplified example of the production unit's workflow. 1. Design and sampling. The unit starts by creating designs and samples for the sweater trikos. This involves conceptualizing the style, patterns, colors, and materials. 2. Material procurement. Once the design is finalized, the production unit arranges for procuring the required materials like yarn, buttons, zippers, etc. from suppliers. 3. Knitting. In this stage, the knitting machines are used to create the fabric for the sweater trikos. The appropriate stitches and patterns are programmed into the machines, and the fabric is knitted accordingly. 4. Cutting. Once the knitted fabric is ready, it is laid out on cutting tables, and the patterns for each part of the sweater trikos are marked. Then, specialized cutting machines are used to cut the fabric into the desired shapes. 5. Sewing. The cut pieces of fabric are then sent to the sewing section, where skilled workers stitch them together using sewing machines. This includes attaching sleeves, adding collars, hems, and other finishing touches. 6. Quality control. Throughout the production process, random samples from each batch are taken for quality control checks. Trained inspectors examine the garments for any defects or inconsistencies in stitching, measurements, or overall appearance. Any issues are identified, and necessary corrections or adjustments are made. 7. Finishing. After passing the quality control checks, the sweater trikos go through various finishing processes. This may include ironing, folding, packaging, attaching labels, and adding any additional embellishments or accessories. 8. Packaging and shipping. Once the finishing processes are complete, the sweater trikos are packed according to customer requirements, such as in polybags or boxes. They are then prepared for shipping to distributors, wholesalers, or directly to retail outlets. It is important to note that the specific details and workflow of a production unit may vary depending on the manufacturing facility, technology used, and the complexity of the sweater trikos being produced.